Abanyabiashara amo n'abamanyi b'ekisemikoro asense ya United States of America nigo bono barasense ya Kenya nena sorongo rwa Gusii karba bekire miroberio yo kwene kunangosira bari gisemi baigo nigo basirire abana bake iriko egendelia na masomo abo akira litukumuliketo ndemo Steven nigo bona twarga ni roboti urasenjera ayo wekirana.
Abonchereri korwa United States of America mbaba bakoba iga sorongo rwa Gusii asevatarira University ya Kisii Polytechnic ya Kisii Polytechnic amo na University ya Nairobi korra andake kwa semivale aboroke be University gore chinchira cyabe baranyale gutumeka kwene kibuna mbali kuri giga sikere bakuri school korende banyale kwelika.
David Fagan with Top Talent Agency. This is Isabel Donadio, the co-founder, and we came here from the US. We brought a group of business owners, business leaders who are also speakers and professional best-selling authors to give and to serve and to share.
The objective between creating ties between the United States and Kenya is to create stronger relationships, create more opportunities, so they can see more internationally how these relationships are working.
Being here in the universities, we've seen that that's one of the challenges that the schools have, is that they're learning in theory, but they're not necessarily getting a lot of real-world experience or international experience. And so what we want to do is create those opportunities where they're actually working, doing projects. They're actually working on various events.
Gatie bintu bachengere n'enchira babiri bakwaliga ni waiga sorongo rwa Kisii ase mono bago kereka rubabu ate no mugavana gwe county ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati.
One of the exciting things that happened was getting to meet with Governor Simba Arati, and we talked about various ideas. One of the ideas that was proposed to him is talking about experts, talking about different ways to bring money into the country.
The energy that we have received, the love and warm welcome that has been given to us here at Top Talent Agency on the Kenya Keynote Tour has been so overwhelming. We've been given such fantastic feedback.
You are wonderful people with wonderful smiles that come out through your voices. You have an amazing accent. There's a lot of really great English-speaking people here.
Nego baigenete buna gwetera ebikaro bune binemesenga kano bune yeiga mbaina kibuna babentire birengo via oboncholie sorongo rwa Gusii gwetera gosemya banta bange.
We are inspiring these young minds to not only look at different ways to become employed, but to actually turn the table and find ways to become the employer, to start their businesses, to become entrepreneurs themselves.
Nimeweza kujishuhudia kwamba hawa wageni wetu wameweza kusaidia wanafunzi ambao wanafanya somo la biashara, wameweza kusaidika kwa sababu wanafundishwa mambo vile yalivyo ama kusema kwamba hali halisi katika soko.
We focused on entrepreneurial education and helping business people get into the job market, creating different apprenticeship programs, internship programs, and opportunities to work with the business people that we brought.
Nega bwatani aba vechi semino boncheri korwa sensa United States of America banyere kogokera okoba kwao aiga sorongo rwe county ya Kisii asibarure ira buna insemeti nyene mbabe bakoirana korra buna banyare kubwatira na aborokia korwa aiga University chorongo rwa Gusii kwene kibuna komenta bale birengo fyechi semi no bonchereri asensemeye ko reporter ya Ndizi TV korwa aiga county ya Kisii Elietariane Ndemo Steven.